Hey everybody, happy Sunday. Today we're going to be looking at the Revell 1965 Ford Thunderbird. Here's this side of the box. Nothing on the bottom. Let's have a look. Here's our instructions. Here's our body. It's in pretty decent shape. Here's our tires and our white wall inserts. Here's our chrome tree, our hubcaps, window frame, our grille, bumpers, chrome steering wheel, tail lights, our valve covers. There's those. Here's our windows. I'm going to keep them in the plastic so they don't get wrecked. A few loose parts in here. The top. Looks like the wheel or the spare tire on the back. No decals though. Alright, here's our engine, transmission, our rear end, all one piece. Our front suspension. I might have to put some aftermarket wheels on this because I have a bunch of 3D printed wheels. Our fan shroud, our wheel backs. Here's our interior tub, firewall. Assume these are for the wheels. Our exhaust, belts and pulleys. Here's our chassis. And everything just fell on the floor. That's all that's in this kit. There ain't much to it. Not much to it at all. Yeah, here's our convertible top. Here's the hood. And the Continental tire that goes on the back. Didn't come with any decals though, because I bought this on eBay. Let's have a look at the instructions. Looks like a fairly easy kit to build. Not sure what color I'll paint it, but there you go. There's a look at the 1965 Ford Thunderbird by Revell. Skill level 4. It would look good pink though. Is this by round 2? Nope, 2021 Revell. Yeah, so there we go. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. Hopefully I earned your like on it. If you haven't subscribed already, please remember to subscribe. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.